Hey guys, Nick Espinoza, your Chief Security Fanatic here, and today I'm talking about wireless. Now, I know you've heard me talk in the past about the Wi-Fi that you shouldn't be connecting to, like the free ones from your local coffee shop or hotels or airports or wherever, but I'm talking about wireless in general. Now, most Wi-Fi runs on a cybersecurity encryption standard called WPA2. Now, WPA2 has been around for years, and it's been cracked multiple times in the past. The last massive crack was the crack infection, or the crack vulnerability rather, that is KRACK, and if you did not update your WPA2 based wireless access point, which they're all that, you need to do that. That was months ago. You're super behind you. But for the rest of us, we have a new standard coming out in 2018 called WPA3. Now, this was going to replace WPA2. It's stronger encryption. It fixes the holes that have been vulnerable in WPA2. It really is ramping up the security, which is obviously very needed. And so if you have an existing wireless access point when WPA3 comes out, and if you are following me here and watching me, you will know when it comes out, because believe me, there will be a video on that, probably articles as well. You need to update your existing wireless access point. Now, a lot of access points out there are not going to be able to be updated, in which case when this comes out, you really need to buy one that does have the WPA3 standard or is capable of supporting WPA3. That is super, super important. And it's not just the wireless access points, routers, and infrastructure we have to update. It's every phone we've got, every wireless computer like laptops, tablets, anything, smartwatch that has Wi-Fi on it, whatever that is, they all need to be updated to the WPA3 standard. Super, super important. And so make sure that you're, keeping aware of this, and follow me so you can keep aware of this. And you can follow me here on Facebook and Twitter at NickAESP. And as always, stay safe and stay online. Thanks, guys.